All right, it's a nice fall day here in October in Ohio, and perfect day to show you one of our favorite, in fact, it is our favorite little cabin on the farm. This is what we call the cottage. It sits on the back up against the woods of our 20-acre farm, far away from everyone. It's extremely self-sufficient. In fact, it can be completely self-sufficient if you made a few modifications. We'll show you as you go through. The first thing I want to point out is that water tank you'll see in the front. That's a 500-gallon Texas tank. Collects all the rainwater off of our metal roof, which is then filtered through a UV system. And then that UV system goes into a cistern and is filtered again when it comes into the house into a 2-stage filter and another UV light. So super clean water, all completely free from the sky. So the exterior of this, we finished with the metal board and batten siding. As we'll head inside here, you know, we love it. We put that on our barn dominium. You've probably seen that on our YouTube videos. But this board and batten siding is textured. It looks like wood. It almost feels like wood, but it's got a 50-year warranty, no paint, no worry. We wanted low maintenance for all of our structures. Of course, we use stack stone at the bottom. Makes it really, really nice when you're talking about long-term. We'll head in here in the door, kind of show you the living space. You walk into what we call the great room. It's a small great room, but it's really nice. You can see the skylights up there letting a little light into the camera, I'm sure, but makes this room feel really, really airy. We have the metal ceilings, again, low maintenance. In here, we did go with a pine siding. It's just all clear coated, no stain, no paint, just clear coated with an acrylic to keep it looking nice. Just gives it a really woodsy feel, really nice area. The living space is fairly large. We have a large couch here that can be pulled out into a hide-a-bed, and then as you come around, you got plenty of space for a chair there. We usually have a little TV stand under here. We just had some family guests this weekend, so we moved some furniture out, but you can kind of get a good look at what you see. I'll turn around here. That little door will lead to the outside and overlooks the wood. We really wanted, when our friends and family stay here, to be self-sufficient for them as well. So we included a washer and dryer, really nice feature. You know, you can really do everything and stay here while you're staying here. The kitchen, we love it. It's small. We call it small but mighty. Has everything you need: a full-size stove, overhead microwave, and then alder top counters to kind of keep that rustic look. And just everything nice and neat. You know, there's still plenty of cabinet space for a small cabin and a full-size fridge, which we love. At only 600 square feet, this is still a large feeling cabin. In fact, you feel really large in it. Plenty of space for a couple people to live for a while and not ever feel cramped. The bathroom is right off the kitchen. It's got a slider door right here that just slides out. Full area for commode. I'll flip around here and you'll see a full shower, which is really nice, and a sink. See those little red lines? That's we have radiant floor heat in here too. Those were put on the inside to avoid any issue with freezing over the winter. I'm gonna cap those with some pine. Kind of want to show you the guts of this cabin, which is kind of neat how small it is, but I'll flip the light on in here and you'll see that is our filtration system, our heat, everything we need, our furnace. The floor heat goes through. This is an on-demand water heater, gas-fired. Heats through the floor, and then also heats all the hot water in the house. There's the UV filter, and there's the filter system for the water a second time after it comes in from the outside. So everything right there where you need it, nice and easy and small behind there. And as I said, it makes it very easy to maintain. Come back out, as I said, about 600 square feet, plenty of living space. We'll head outside here at the end, but I want to show you the upstairs. Yes, there's an upstairs. I'll kind of back up here before we head up this little stair cove. As you'll see, this is what really makes it feel open and airy. You have that loft with a rebar railing that kind of overlooks. That way, no matter where you're at in here, you do not feel cramped. So many small cabins, we didn't like that feel, and so we wanted to really make it open and airy. So come up the little L step here, and up top, we have a wood floor, and actually plenty of room for a king-size bed. Love the views looking outside. That's what we love about this cabin. Come around to the great room and a little space over here for a desk in the nook, which is really, really nice. See that view. Not too much work gets done when you're sitting there because you end up spending all your time looking out. And then, as you said, the top of the loft, looking out to the woods, and then looking down. So really, really nice for, you know, a couple people. You can actually have a couple extra if you have kids down there. We have family members that bring them. They can stay on the hide-a-bed down below. but gives them their own space on the farm, and we really like that. But what really makes this place for us is, you know, we love to live outdoors. So we added a little porch and patio out here, and it really brings this little cabin to home. Again, metal ceilings, straight off the flat. I love the view of these woods from back here. Just makes it look really, really nice. Plenty of space. We covered half and didn't cover the half. Thought about putting a hot tub here. For right now, I think we just keep it with an extra bench. And I'll show you a little bit more as we pan around. But just plenty of nice views from the back of this. Plenty of space, and really, really makes this cabin unique. I'll kind of pan out here and show you the back side. But this is what we call the cottage here at the farm. Like I said, one of our favorite spaces to build. 600 square feet, but it feels much, much bigger than that.